up YouTube? It's Gears and Rice here. So today we're just gonna do something small. Pretty much oil pressure gauge. And this is what it comes with. Should be not too bad, I want to say. I want to mount this, see if it fits right here in the sandwich plate from the Mishimoto one. Just on the side right here. I'm just gonna have to move this and maybe squeeze that in there. And then this is pretty much gonna go on the other side of the steering wheel. Just right here. I just realized though, they didn't give me a white plate for this. It might look a little awkward, but...
Oh, because one's white and white. Oh, this one's white, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Now you got white and black.
Alright, so pretty much what we're gonna do right now is pretty much remove this. Maybe we'll put you on a time lapse. Remove this, loosen this up, maybe try to twist it, take it out, and then we'll run the wire through the same opening over there and connect it to the same
There's a grommet right there.
So we'll be back and we'll time lapse a couple things, and if we run into any issues we'll let you know. Alright guys, so David had an amateur move.
Stupid, that was you.
Where he dripped all this oil on my block. I don't know if you guys can see it.
No, that was your fault.
Yep.
Pointing fingers.
But do you want to record it?
What? You just wanted to say that?
Yeah.
Stupid. So keep in mind, when you take off your oil filter, you're gonna take off the little plug that it has on the side. A lot of oil.
If you have a Mishimoto.
This is if you have the sandwich plate from Mishimoto. When you take off the plug, a lot of oil is gonna come out. Danny said it was only gonna be a little bit. It wasn't.
No, I asked you. You're like, I'm a licensed mechanic.
I think all his oil just came out of his car. But anyways, we put Teflon tape on the threading for the sensor. We turned this. As you can see, tight fit. Doesn't hit this, but I mean it worked. And then just routed the cable through there, right under here, and it goes right there. See, as you can see, into the grommet. And then now he's just gonna zip tie. So now we gotta get brake cleaner to clean all the mess Danny made.
Fix the rookie mistake.
One job. Sectors.
Is this gonna clear?
What is? Clear what though? The hood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why wouldn't it?
Looks like a risen up, whatever.
You're fine. Sweet. Oh, and he torqued down. Forgot to mention the nut that goes on the plate. You had a hard time finding it.
Yeah, I had a hard time finding it.
He had a hard time finding it, but he did find one thread, but it was at 25 foot-pounds.
Yeah, Mishimoto said pretty much 15 to 25.
Yeah, so
don't go over 35, so I just went 25.
So yeah, we went 25. I'm just cleaning the oil here, sorry. Well, but yeah, I mean, looking good so far. So now
we just need to do the connection inside, and we will show you that as well. I don't know if it should be time lapse or regular mode.
Now we'll do regular, but we're just gonna finish up trying to clean up as much as we can of the oil, and then
we have to go get a car cleaner.
Yeah, and then we'll get back to you guys when we go in the inside. Open the door with no power. Sorry. Oh yeah, before you start, we disconnected the battery, you know, just to be safe. Alright.
So we're gonna show this real quick.
Oh.
So I'm gonna have an issue with this because, you know, I bought a different kind of like slim AEM gauge, and with the bracket that I had before, it's not gonna go all the way back like this one did, where I could tighten it right here. So I'm just gonna put 3M. Probably not gonna show it on the video because I have to go get it, and just slide it in. Or maybe I'll cut it a little bit and then slide it in. Right. Pause if you want. Alright, so obviously I'm gonna run the same route here. I haven't done it yet. I'm gonna splice the wire first. But you just run up here, fish it through here, and then connect, right? So this was where I got my power before. I put one of these like little fuse. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Fuse the wire thing. So I just had to take the cap off though. And then I grounded right there on the body. Let me see if I can shine some light. See where that hole is? That's where I grounded pretty much. So now what I'm gonna do is just actually change my mind. I'm gonna connect all these red together and then just put the coupling, and then this one I'm gonna cut all the blacks, and then I'm gonna ground all the grounding wires together, and then just put it all under one screw. I'll record it and you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh man, so freaking looks good, huh? So, can you see David or no?
Yeah.
All together. Then I got this. Put them in. Maybe I'll fold them. And then just gonna use the crimper. Alright, so got that done. Now we just gotta get the hot. Let's see. Damn these strippers.
And how much were those?
$1 too many. I think that's good.
Yeah. Good or no?
Still sitting the edge, I think. Okay. Now I just gotta reground this, and should be pretty much almost done. You know what I just remembered?
What?
At the pause, I gotta get some tape to cap these.
Oh yeah.
So I can turn it off real quick.
Oh, also those other wires that he's getting, like he's putting together, those are the wires that run to the other gauges. Yeah, that runs to the other gauges. And so if you haven't seen the video for his boost and AFR gauge install, please check that out. Then that'll kind of be more of a speed up on why it looks the way it is. So we'll be back right now. Bam. So he just zip tied. Now we're gonna test it to see if it works.
Neutral. You put the push start?
Yeah. check to see if it leaks.
Oh, cool. So it turned on.
And it seems like it's working good.
Yeah, that's how much oil pressure I have.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Is it leaking?
Oh, check.
Let's go check. Perfect. Good, right?
Seems pretty good. Okay. I guess we'll actually see if we start spilling oil, right?
Yeah.
So far so good. So that's pretty much how you can install your oil pressure gauge. I thought it was the easiest way, but there's other easier ways too. But this is the route I went with. So, yeah.
This is what he's doing on his spare time.
Gears and gardening.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's it for the gauge, for the oil pressure gauge on Toyota 86 2019. I'm sure every other GT 86, BRZ, FRS,
It's all the same.
whatever, I'm sure it's the same thing. But yeah, it wasn't too hard. It only took us it took us more time driving to pick up parts because I didn't have like small little things. But yeah. So yeah, see you guys next time. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, or whatever.